Welcome to Why We Southern Blot. What makes you different from your friends? Is your hair redder? Are you taller? Or maybe you're naturally a faster runner? Why do you have all these traits that make you unique? The answer is DNA. What is DNA? DNA is a very important material in your cells that consists of something called genes. Almost everything you have, from the color of your skin to the shape of your blood cells, is determined by these genes. So DNA itself is very long. If you took the DNA from one cell in your body and stretched it out, it would be 2 meters. And you have millions of cells in your body. So you can imagine how much DNA you have. But what if out of all the DNA, we are only interested in one gene? We can't just look through all this DNA to find one tiny gene. Instead, we can isolate it with southern blotting, which is a technique that allows us to split DNA into smaller fragments and use X-rays to find that one gene. But why find one gene? Well, we might want to find mutations. Mutations are mistakes made when DNA is being copied. Mutations might result in diseases. For example, sickle cell anemia is a disease where blood cells are not round but crescent-shaped thanks to a mutation. This affects the way oxygen enters the bloodstream and the blood flow itself. To see that particular gene, scientists don't have to search through all the genes, but use southern blotting to find what they are looking for. Furthermore, once they know what is wrong with the gene, they might be able to come with a treatment or cure more easily. Mutations are not all bad. The mistakes that humans make in our genome account for our diversity. Different people from different countries over thousands of years have accumulated their own unique mutations. By isolating certain genes in ourselves with southern blotting and comparing them to the accumulated mutations of ancestors, we can trace back our lineage. Isolating genes can also help us in other ways. For example, there might be genes related to fruits becoming riper. If we know what gene that is, we might find some ways to turn it on longer so fruits can become riper faster or for a longer period of time. Now you see how genes can affect our world. It is amazing how something so small as DNA can influence our lives so significantly.
Created using Powtoon.